She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Alex. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I took black hair and got it to the color burgundy without bleaching it. So I previously had like a blondish colored hair that I bleached from black to blonde, and it kind of like damaged the hair, and my friend knew that I did that and she wanted to have a different color hair without damaging it. So what I did was I got this beautiful red color. I love it. And what these are bundles. So normal extensions would have a clip on the top or even tape or not. There's all different sorts of ways to do it. But this is what a bundle looks like. So a bundle will have a weft on the top. And these are typically used for wigs or a sew-in, which is what I previously had. It was my first time using it because for a while now I've always used clip-ins or tape-ins. Tape-ins being my favorite and then clip-ins. But now I really enjoy bundles. So I got this color. It's super pretty without using bleach. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see how I achieve this beautiful color without bleaching or damaging the hair, go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, let's get to it. So first you're going to need HiColor Highlights in the colors Red and Magenta. You're going to need some gloves to protect your hands, a combing brush, a brush to apply the dye, 40 volume developer, and a mixing bowl. Alright, so go ahead and grab your bundles and then take your brush and you're going to want to start combing them through to make sure you get all the tangles out before you apply the dye, and typically start from the bottom to the top. First, I'm going to take my HiColor Highlights in the color Red and place that into the mixing bowl, and then I take Magenta and do the same thing. So I put the developer in a water bottle because you do need 2.4 fluid ounces, and in case you didn't have a measuring cup, I wanted you to know how much that looked like. And you're going to take your 40 volume developer again, and then I place that into the bowl, and then you'll see me add a little more because I wanted to be just positive that I had enough. Okay, mix the dye and the developer until it is creamy and thick, and then you'll know you're done when it turns bright red. Alright, so go ahead and grab your bundles, and then you're going to want to start applying the dye all over. After you finish, you want to take your hairbrush and start brushing it through to make sure it evenly distributes throughout the hair, and then you're going to want to flip the hair over and begin the process all over again. Alright, after you have repeated those steps, you're going to take your bundles apart, and then I did attach them to the other side, and then I flipped them over as you see me doing. And then you're going to want to repeat those same steps again. And then go back in and make sure mostly all of the hair is completely covered with the hair dye. After you've completed with the hair dye, then you're going to go ahead and take your brush in and make sure you get that evenly distributed throughout the hair, and then you're going to place that in a baggie, and I did let that process for approximately 15 to 16 hours. Alright guys, so I hope that video was helpful and it wasn't confusing at all. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and hit my social media up and I will reply as soon as I can, or leave a comment down below. And thanks for watching and have a great day.
Cap in a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. I'm Luke Skywalking on these haters.